Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot. You are watching Liquid Ocelot Medium TV, 4K TV, my friends, and today I'm going to be talking about the undisputed king of medium, Dr.Mehmet Yeldiz, my friends. Dr.Mehmet Yeldiz, the undisputed king. Look at him, my friends. Forget about the followers count, 25k followers. This is expected, but the books, I'm shocked that he has got only one book. Let me show you, my friends. I'm on his website and look at the books. He is digital books, paperback books. Shocking, my friends. It's shocking. He has written hundreds and hundreds of digital books and paperback books. Look at this, my friends. And he's a PhD doctor, my friends. Like, I think this is enough. This video, I should close it down. It is enough, my friends. He is a massive player in Medium. If you are on Medium.com, you don't know about Dr. Mehmet Yeldiz, I think you should quit Medium immediately, because this guy is the undisputed king of Medium, my friends. Undisputed. And nobody can match him, to be honest with you. Now, my friends, this was only one reason, 0.1%. The biggest reason, the 99.99% reason why he is the undisputed king of Medium is because of this. Let me show you, my friends. I'm not a joker over here. Illumination publication. I'm a writer over here, luckily, and you look at it. Look at this publication, number 9th in the world. You can write about any topic you want over here, and there are sub-publications like curators, amplifiers, thousands and thousands of followers over here, euphoria, health, everything. He covers everything, my friends. I think I should stop before I get a heart attack, my friends, because he is a monster on Medium. And check him out, my friends. Follow him on Twitter, follow him on Facebook, follow him on LinkedIn. Find everything about him yourself, my friends. No links in the description box. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off.